Hi, so I'm Isabel, and I did my presentation on employee benefits for nurses. Specifically, I did mine on the research hospital, City of Hope Research Hospital in Duarte. But this is just a general overview on employee benefits and the significance of it. So, pretty much what I basically learned from this presentation was the importance and necessity of employee benefits, as well as how it could affect like rates of recruitment, retention, and turnover for employees. And I also learned about the challenges that the HR department has to face with regards to these employee benefits and what measures have been done to resolve them. But what I hope for you guys to essentially learn from my presentation is just basically what employee benefits you could possibly expect from your employee, your prospective like company or employer, and the significant why it's significant to understand the value of these benefits provided to you. So pretty much like a basic overview of employee benefits. According to the book, benefits serve as a competitive lever in recruiting and hiring employees. Employment benefits also provide additional value to individuals and their families by providing time off, insurance against certain events, and additional targeted services. Pretty much, in order for businesses to maintain a competitive edge, they have to offer just as competitive benefits for their employees in order to attract and also to retain them. Um, I've done research, and a study that I found um, was conducted where thousands of employees were surveyed, determining what would pretty much attract them to an employer, and with out of all of the handful of elements that were listed, employee benefits was pretty much one of the top ones. So a challenge that I found regarding employee benefits was the issue of nurses unaware of the value of their benefits. Why this is a challenge, and why this is one of the most significant challenges, is because it's very important for nurses to understand the value of their benefits, and because of the amount of high stress and high amounts of burnout that they experience from high workloads, and as well as like a lack of empowerment, since nurses tend to be depicted as being on a level lower to than that of physicians. So this lack of awareness of the value of their benefits could cause perceived benefits inequity among nurses, and this could lead to job dissatisfaction, and this would pretty much like set forth a domino effect, and job dissatisfaction could lead to costly labor disputes, turnover, and even a risk to patients, possibly, if for a worst case scenario, basically. And what the solutions I found for this would be for essentially for the HR department to improve communications regarding employee benefits to the staff. For example, the City of Hope website states what benefits they offer, as well as and they also have a document attached providing like details regarding their benefits, and what steps the steps entailing how to enroll in the program. And on the website it says, we go beyond comprehensive health coverage, life insurance, and paid time off to offer such benefits as tuition reimbursement, multiple retirement programs, cancer protection, hospital and intensive care insurance, and much more. So pretty much, if the HR department could possibly offer workshops or educations about the benefits provided to employees, it could reduce any amount of confusion among nurses and staff. So my conclusion, employee benefits are, of course, as stated like throughout the presentation a million times, it's a very significant aspect in terms of employee retention, satisfaction, and turnover rates. Communication about these benefits serve as a great benefactor for both staff and the hospital, just so employees can properly understand the value of these benefits as well as how to properly use them. This could also like prevent the hospital from wasting a whole bunch of money on these benefits if their employees just don't know how to properly use them. And so the HR department should just definitely work to continuously remind their employees about the benefits that are provided to them.